pencil case, chair, bag, book, pen, pencil, ruler, rubber, computer, desk, board, pencil case, chair. This is a book. This is a pencil case. This is a pen. This is a pencil. This is a pencil case. This is a ruler. This is a bag. This is a rubber. Bag, book, pen, pencil, ruler, rubber, computer, desk, board, pencil case, chair. Hello, Yusuf. Hello. What's this? It's a pencil case. Hello, Muhammad. What's this? It's a book. Hello, Wissam. Hello. What's that? It's a bag. What color is it? It's black. Hello, Abdurrahman. Hello. What's that? It's a chair.